welcome to Circle Time. How is everyone? I'm ready to get going. Are you guys ready? Everybody stand up, rise and shine, and welcome to school today. Rise and shine, and welcome to school today. Rise and shine, and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Give yourselves a big hug. Are you ready? What's up first? That's right, days of the week. I need everybody help me sing. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then we start again with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Good job, guys. So today's Tuesday. What day was yesterday? Monday, that's right. Yesterday was Monday. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday, that's right. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, and yesterday was Monday. Good job, guys. Should we figure out the date? Let's do it. So it's Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Everybody, let's go. Today's day is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. And what's next? You guys already know it's the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there snow? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Okay, run outside. Go look out a window and check the weather. Did you guys go check? Good job. When I looked outside, it was raining. There are big cumulonimbus clouds and it's rainstorming. So the rain, is it hot or is it cool? Yeah, it's cool outside, rainy and cool. It rains a lot in the spring. We're in springtime, right? You know what else happens a lot during springtime? Animals start hatching out of their eggs and babies from farm animals and all the other animals we've been learning about. They hatch in the spring. So spring is when everything starts growing again. What did we talk about yesterday? Does anyone remember? That's right, we talked about butterflies. Butterflies have how many wings? 4, that's right, good job. We learned a fun fact about butterflies. What is a group of butterflies called? A kaleidoscope. Good job, guys. I have a picture of one of our butterflies here. We are going to go over the body parts again. What's the first one you guys see? The first one I see are its 4 wings. There's one hanging right here and the 4th one right there. Butterfly has a head. Do you see the head right there? Out of the butterfly's head, what's on top of it? The antenna. Good job. And do you remember what the silly straw-like tongue is called? A proboscis. Yeah, you guys are right. All right, underneath the butterfly's head, what is this? The thorax, yes. And under the thorax is the abdomen. You guys are right. What's the last part we haven't named? The legs, that's right. Butterflies have legs too that helps them land on the flower. What do butterflies eat? The nectar inside the flower. Yeah, this butterfly is using his proboscis to suck out the nectar from these blossoms. All right, you guys did really good at remembering what we learned yesterday. Today, we're going to talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. So, when you were a baby, did you start off as a baby the size that you are right now? No, you started off really small and little, and then what happened? You grew and you got bigger and could do more things, right? That's the same with butterflies, except butterflies, they have specific steps as they grow. Right here is the start of the life cycle. What's on this? Eggs, that's right. Butterflies lay their eggs on leaves. This is actually the bottom of the leaf. So if you were to look at the leaf, the eggs are hiding underneath. Why do you think they lay them on the bottom of the leaf and not the top? To protect them. If the leaves are hiding on the bottom of the leaf, do you think predators can see them from above? No, not very easily. So they're safe tucked underneath. That's a whole bunch of eggs. This is what one egg looks up close. Now this egg really is smaller than my fingernail, but they zoomed it in so we could see it really clearly. That's a butterfly egg. So they stay in their egg. This is my handy dandy slider. And this is going to tell us all about the life cycle. So they start off as eggs. A female butterfly lays the eggs, and they stay as eggs for 4 days. After 4 days, the eggs hatch. And look at this little guy. It's called a larva. A caterpillar hatches out from the egg, but the caterpillar is called a larva right now because it's so little. What do you think the first thing the caterpillar is going to do when it hatches? The caterpillar has been in that egg for so long it's hungry. So the caterpillar, when it hatches, it's going to eat the shell of the egg it grew in and start eating the leaf that it was laid on. Well, after the larva eats and eats and eats, what does he turn into? A caterpillar, that's right. The caterpillar eats leaves. Look at this guy. Here's our caterpillar. Look at how chunky he is. He ate so many leaves and he grew so big. So after they hatch from the egg, they hatch out as a larva and they grow and grow into a caterpillar. After they hatch, it takes about 1 week for them to be a larva and about 1 more week to be a caterpillar. So at this point, this caterpillar friend here is 2 weeks old. After the caterpillar has grown for 2 weeks, he knows that a change is coming. So the caterpillar forms a protective shell called a chrysalis. This one refers to it as a pupa. A pupa and a chrysalis are the same thing. So the caterpillar will find a nice sturdy branch and he'll hang upside down on the branch and build the chrysalis, the hard protective shell, around him. You see how it's off of this branch hanging down? What color is it? Green, yeah. Why do you think it's green? It's so it matches the leaves around it. See the green leaf behind the chrysalis? Since it's green, just like the leaf, it helps hide it from predators. The caterpillar stays inside the chrysalis for 10 days. And after 10 days, guess what the chrysalis looks like? It starts off green and blending in. Then, look at how cool that is. The chrysalis becomes clear and see-through. What do you see inside? I see the wing of a butterfly. You see the orange pattern? Look, it's starting to crack open right here. The butterfly is now going to emerge from the chrysalis. The butterfly slowly wiggles its way out of the chrysalis, and after it emerges from the chrysalis, it has to sit for about 4 hours before it's ready to fly. The butterfly has to take time to unfold its wings and stretch out from that chrysalis. After that, what is it? A butterfly, that's right. So after its wings are dry, the butterfly is ready to fly, and they live for up to 6 weeks before that butterfly goes and lays her eggs, and it starts all over again. So let's go through that one last time, super quick. All right, let's go through it one more time. So the female butterfly lays her eggs on the leaves of plants. The caterpillars grow inside these eggs, and the eggs will hatch within a couple weeks. So look at all the eggs right there. What hatches out of the eggs? A caterpillar, that's right. The caterpillar leaves its egg, and they eat and eat and eat and eat. They chomp on leaves that are all around them, and they will shed their skin 4 or 5 times before they're a full-grown caterpillar. Once the caterpillar is fully grown, it gets ready to form itself into a chrysalis. A chrysalis is a hard case which the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. So look, he goes and finds a branch and hangs upside down. He builds the chrysalis all around him. You see how it started to go up? Caterpillars usually build their chrysalis on twigs or in safe hidden areas around the egg or around the plant that their egg came from. The hard case is used to protect the pupa from predators and cold weather. Inside, the tissues, limbs, and organs of the caterpillar transform. The pupa is in the chrysalis for 2 weeks, and through that time, it becomes ready to hatch, and you know it's ready when it's clear. The chrysalis will split open, and out comes the butterfly. The butterfly doesn't take off right away. Its wings are wet and wrinkled and squished. So it starts to spread its wings out, and once the wings are dry, a liquid called hemolymph is pumped into them, and that makes them expand, and the wings are big and strong. Once the butterfly is ready to fly, they take off in search of flowers because that's what they eat, and other butterflies to mate with, so the life cycle can start all over again. Good job, guys. I have a fun new song about butterflies. Do you want to try it with me? Okay, we have to stand up. Everybody stand up. Butterfly, butterfly, flutter around. Butterfly, butterfly, touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, be so free. Butterfly, butterfly, land on me. Butterfly, butterfly, reach the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, say goodbye. Oh, you guys did so great on that one. Good job. All right, the last thing we're going to do for circle time is our letter sounds. So let's do it quick. How quickly you guys think you can go? All right, ready? V says V, M says D says D, U says U and It's a vowel. F says F, R says R, B says B, J says J, G says G, A says A and A. It's a vowel. C says K, Z says Z, P says P, H says H, E says E and A. It's a vowel. N says Y says Y, X says X, W says W, S says S, T says T, Q says Q, K says K, O says O and L says O. We did it! Good job, boys and girls! Oh, I'm so glad you were here at Circle Time today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys!